So this is are the available for cadet for lawnmower. So this is 349. So there's 3,799. So there is 3,500. Yeah, it's 3,599. And there is also 4,399, 54 inches bad boy SMZ Magnum. Yeah, so there's 4,399. There's more expensive 5,000. Yeah, 499. There's 5,899, the bigger one. So it's more expensive here, the 6,799. Yeah, that one. And this the last one, 4,299. Yeah. So also there's also in the back there 2,599. That one. 25, the small one, 2,599 Cub Cadet. 2,3 they are offering financing. This one 2,099. See? And also this one 999 and 699. This one here in Tractor Supply, guys, there's a lot of option. See? 2,399, 2,599, and also here 1,799, 999, 169, 139. It's a lot. 199 and 129. So there's offering Tractor Supply rewards. So this is the bad boy. There's rating there, bad boy. See, it's bad boy rating. Bad boy Magnum. The color orange is the best color, and there's a yellow also. See, that's all, guys. Quick look here in Tractor Supply.